Go.
Hey guys, my name is Tracy. I'm a certified medium with Inner Being Awakened. I help to empower the empathic collective. As within, so without, it helps in the healing process taking place on the planet.
Hey guys, it's me again. My name is Oren. I'm a certified personal trainer, and today we have a special smoothie for you.
It's a detox smoothie.
So, if you have low energy or you're just trying to trim down some weight, this is a perfect smoothie for you.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna make this detox smoothie with the Ninja smoothie bowl and smoothie maker. We're gonna put the link in the description if you want to get the same one. It's so convenient, compact, and it's so powerful that it suctions to the countertop. So we start off with the Ninja smoothie maker. You get 2 of these smoothie cups on the go. So the recipe we have will make 2 of these. So we start with 1 cup of water.
Alright, so 1 cup of water. So you just need 1 green apple. Take some of the green apple.
So we're each gonna put half a green apple in. And then you need a handful of spinach.
Spinach, just like this. Drop it in there. And then next, you take half of a lemon. So there's your half, Tracy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Squeeze her in there.
And then you take a full pear. And we're each gonna put half in ours. There's yours.
Perfect.
And I noticed you didn't take out the core or the seeds. Everything's going in there.
Everything's going there. You need everything. The seeds of the apple are really good.
And then
we'll talk about that at another time.
And then you have a piece of ginger. Yours went in there.
Oh, mine's went in there. I'm going too fast. Thing is 2 stalks of celery. So we chopped it in half because we're going to use 2 blenders. The Ninja. So let's see this Ninja work, okay? So this Ninja is really good, Tracy?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, and then
we have just a bit of honey, like maybe half a tablespoon of honey, just to add some sweetness, because it's you got your fruits and vegetables in there, but it's nice to have a little bit more sweetness.
Yeah, and honey also is a natural source of energy.
Okay, so once we've screwed on the base, we just pop it in. And the light goes on. We're gonna push the extract button because we've got the spinach and everything in there. It's gonna extract all those nutrients. So I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of this liquid chlorophyll, which is great for an energy boost. It has a whole bunch of antioxidants in it. So it's also a detox as well. So it just kind of amplifies everything in here. So all you need is a tablespoon in there.
It looks yummy.
And we'll link in the description where you can also get this liquid chlorophyll. And then once you refrigerate it, just for a little bit, or stick it in the freezer if you want it to speed up the cooling. And once it's cool, it's gonna be not only detoxifying, but delicious. Give it a little shake. Cheers. Happy healing.
Yummy.
It's delicious.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'm honored that you're taking the first step into your health and well-being.